Hello and thank you for visiting corestripper.com. This is going to be a demonstration video of the core stripper. This particular model is our smallest one. This is the CS-18. That'll cut up to an 18-inch core. The next one is the CS-32, up to a 32-inch long core. Our larger models, which you'll see in the background here, are CS-42, 42-inch core, CS-54, which cut up to a 54 core, and a CS-66, which will cut up to a 66-inch long core. For this demonstration, again, it's going to be the CS-18. We'll go through the push button controls and the hydraulic power unit, and then we'll cut some cores. Just a couple of items to point out here. This is the power unit. It's a hydraulic power unit. When you get it to your facility, it's going to need about 10 gallons of AW46 hydraulic oil. You'll fill it about 2 inches from the top, leaving some room for expansion. This is our main electrical control box. Has the disconnect on it, some push buttons. And then our operator control station, which is here. This is where the operator is going to be operating the push buttons from. So to cut the cores, you're going to want to turn your power on. Now when you get your core stripper delivered to you, we can set it up to 208 3-phase, 233 phase, or 463 phase. Let us know what you have. We'll set it up prior to shipping it. This particular one is set up for 480. So we're going to turn the disconnect to the on position. Once it's in the on position, you've got to make sure your E-stop is rotated and in the out position. As long as it's rotated in the out position, you're going to come back here and do a master stop reset. That's going to clear the PLC, and then you're going to do a master start. Master start will start our hydraulic power unit. With the power unit running, you'll be ready to cut cores. A couple of push buttons here. You got your left push button, you got your right push button. Both have to be hit in order for the unit to operate. Make a full stroke, come down, go back up. You got your E-stop here. Anytime you hit that, it's a twist lock, unlock it, pull it out, unlock it, and you have to do a master start reset. And then you got your blade in the home position. That means the blade's all the way up. And you got your cycle reset. That'll reset the cycle. We'll go through that in a minute. So to operate it, left palm push button, right palm push button. Then it'll come down, make a stroke, and go back up. If for some reason you let go of one of the push buttons during the cycle, the blade will come down, stop. It will not do anything at this point. What you have to do is you have to take your left palm push button and your cycle reset, hit them both. It'll return the blade to the home position and you'll get the home light on. You're ready to stroke again. So the push buttons must be maintained in order for the blade to come down and go back up. If you let go of one or the other in the stroke, you have to do a cycle reset. Get the blade back to the home position. We have some cores here we're going to cut up. This is a plastic ribbon. These will do paper, foil, many different items. Separate the two items. You got your core and you got your material. Place your core on the shaft. This particular one is a 2 7/16. So as long as your core is 3 inch out of diameter or more, you're good to go. Cycle reset because I let go. Home position. Separate the material from the core. Most materials, paper, foil, will fall off. This particular material kind of sticks to the shaft a little bit, but it comes off very easily. That's core. Slip it on the shaft. Left palm push button and right palm push button. Hit both at the same time. Comes down, strokes, goes back up. Separates very easily. Recycle this, recycle the PVC tube. That concludes our demonstration video, the CS core stripper. To reach us on our website, it's corestripper.com. Our email or cell phone, we're always available. Thanks for visiting corestripper.com demonstration video.